Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make a very simple and delicious egg stew, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe, like and share if you like this recipe. So in the saucepan I'll add some oil. To it I'll add some ginger, garlic. I'll stir fry and allow it to infuse the oil. So I keep stirring, and next I'll add my tomato paste. So I'll keep stirring and I'll allow it to simmer and cook well for about 5 minutes. Next I'll add my chopped onions. I'll now add my tomato puree. So I'm going to stir and cover and allow it to simmer on a low heat. Next I'll add my seasoning powder, ginger powder and paprika powder. So I'm going to stir and introduce my eggs. So I'm using about 5 eggs. At this point, you can add any quantity of eggs of your choice. So I'll stir it gently and I'll cover and let it simmer on a low heat for another few minutes. So at this point it's well cooked, and I'll give it a gentle stir. And as you can see, I like my eggs chunky, so remember not to break all the eggs. So stir it gently. Lastly, I'll add some chopped onions and I'll give it a quick stir. I'll also add some dry parsley. It adds a very nice aroma to the stew, and it's totally up to you. And at this point my egg stew is all done. Very easy and simple to make. You can have this with some boiled rice, plantain or yam, or any side dish of your choice. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please like and comment, share. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.